because I thought you might want to comment on what is happening in Niger State with the radio station and the threat of Governor Bago on the radio station on the issue of rights and what the law says, the place of the MDC, which is the regulator, and whether or not an executive governor could give such a threat in shutting down a media organization in a democracy.
No, there is no such law that allows a governor to close down a radio station. I think this, when I read it, I thought it was a carryover from the days of military dictatorship. And our governors will have to appreciate that any policy, any announcement made by them is in consonance with the Constitution and other laws of the land. No governor, not even the president, can order the closure of a radio station. And so arrogance of power is alien to constitutional government. And therefore, the governor of Niger State should be properly advised to familiarize himself with the provisions of the Constitution. I say that without any attempt to embarrass him. The last time, I think he did order that if you had, is it dreaded there or whatever, you should be arrested and have your hair, head shaven, that's not allowed. It's not allowed. So the governor is advised, as soon as possible, to reorder, to reopen the radio station that had been legally closed down.
We understand that it's still operating, but the threat is there. The Minister of Information has since responded, but it's good to clear this so that people will know what is right under the law, so that it doesn't become a trend when someone wakes up in the morning, slap their own wrist and say, shut down that media organization in a democracy. And I say that under Section 22 of the Constitution, and in fact in our Constitution, Mr. Falana, without having to take the media profession above every other profession, even the legal profession is not being catered for as the media profession, Mr. Falana. There is a specific provision of the law about the role of the media holding the government accountable to the Nigerian people, Section 22 of the Nigerian Constitution. I'm not sure there is any profession under in the Constitution that is being catered for so as that. And the word there, the active word is shall. I mean that it gives the media the power to do its job and its duty. So I wonder, so it's good for you to mention this so that executives, whether now or in the future, will not think that they have the prerogative to be able to shut down or threaten media organization.
Yes,
but let me take you.
Except to advise owners of media houses, including your own, which have been shut down a couple of times, to also learn to challenge authoritarian rule, to challenge unconstitutional acts. So we expect the owners of the radio station to have gone to court by now, so that the governor can know the limits of his powers. And other governors too. Otherwise, it's going to be repeated tomorrow.